Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can change your name in Google Meet. It's pretty simple. You want to click on your Google Meet's logo at the top right corner, or basically your Google's profile picture. Once you click on it, it's going to show you this option. From over here, you want to click on manage your Google account. And from inside here, click on where it says personal info. From personal info, you can see the option called the name. So my current name is One to Step. So I need to click on the name, and then it's going to take me to the name editing page. Now right beside the name option, there is a pen. I need to click on that and then change my name into something else. So I'm going to change my name from One to Step into One Step only. I'm going to remove the two. Now remember, if I change this name, basically my Google account's name will be changed, because Google Meet is basically linked with your Google account. So if you change your Google account's name, then only your Google Meet's name will be changed. So if you're okay with that and you change your name, you can click on save at the bottom right corner and a new name will be set. Once you do that, you can go back and your Google Meet's name should have changed now. That is how you guys can change your name in Google Meet. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel One Step for future videos just like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.